Okay, this is going to be a brief overview of Acronis True Image 2019. We'll just quickly go over the features and utilities that are in this program. So the first screen that comes up here is going to be the backup part of the program. This will be where you can kind of manage your backups, create a new backup, or recover from previously saved backup. At the top, you'll see the three different sections: backing up, the activity log, or the recovery section. You only see that after you successfully create a backup. And you see on the left-hand side here is our navigation menu. Next, we have the archive utility. This is a cool tool to use to scan your hard drive for large or unused files, and you can move those off to the cloud or an external hard drive. This way you can optimize your backups. Then there's the sync function. This allows you to have a folder on two separate computers, and whatever you drop into one will automatically copy over to the other one, and vice versa. Okay, up next here we have the tools menu. Here there's going to be some fun utilities that you're going to want to try out. And I'll kind of go through one by one and just give a little brief overview of each one. Up here first is clone disk. This one is pretty self-explanatory. You want to make a copy of your hard drive. You'll have options to copy the whole thing or just parts of it. Next up, we have the Rescue Media Builder. This is a tool that'll walk you through the steps on creating bootable media. This is important just in case you can no longer boot to the hard drive or you have to get a new hard drive. You can load up your files from the boot media and recover it from it that way. Next, we have the Cronus Universal Restore. This is a cool tool. This is going to allow you to put in specific device drivers, so that way you can load your backup on any hardware that you want. And next we have the Parallels Access tool. This is going to be a third-party integration tool from Parallels that allows you to remotely connect to your machine. And you can do that from any mobile device. Pretty cool. And next we have the Try and Decide. This creates a secure environment for you to try new programs. So if you download something and you're not sure what it's going to do to your system, this allows you to try the program and see if it's safe or not. Okay, next we got the system cleanup. This is pretty self-explanatory. Just kind of goes through and search for unused or junk files or install files and removes them to basically clear up some space on the hard drive. And next is the Cronus Secure Zone. Yeah, and what this is going to do is create a secure partition on your hard drive that only True Image can access. So if you need a secure place to put your backup, this is another option for you. Drive Cleanser. This is going to be what you use if you want to completely erase a hard drive. So if you're selling a hard drive or getting rid of one, you definitely want to use this utility to wipe it clean, so that way nothing can be recovered from it. Third-party Tools is going to open up a link to a website where you're going to find downloads for programs that were created by the Acronis community, and they integrate with True Image. The All Tools option is just going to open an Explorer window to give you shortcuts to all of these tools. And that's also where you're going to go if you need to create some log files. All right, so next item here on the menu bar is going to be Active Protection. This is really cool. This is going to be on by default when you install the program, and it will actively protect against ransomware. So if it notices a bunch of your files start getting encrypted, it's going to immediately stop the process and recover anything that was encrypted. All right, moving on. Second to last section here is the account section. This is where it's going to show you your active subscriptions, how many days left are on your trial. You can open the online dashboard or manage your cloud storage here. And last but not least is going to be the settings menu. Here you can make changes to everything you see here on the screen. And one thing to take note is if you do have specific settings for your backup, you can import them here. And that's going to be your overview for Acronis True Image. Thanks for watching.